Step-by-step guide to navigating YourMD.online Connect, your gateway to accessible healthcare. Welcome to YourMD.online Connect. Your health, now more accessible and convenient. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to sign up, book an appointment, and navigate our innovative telehealth app. First, download YourMD.online Connect from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store on your device. If you're using a desktop, simply visit www.yourmd.online. Signing up with YourMD.online Connect is simple and straightforward. If you're on our desktop website, scroll down to the footer section on the home page. Here, you'll find a link for new patient registration. Simply click on it to start the process. Alternatively, you can also click on the Sign Up link located at the top right section of the header on our website. If you're using our app, click on the link at the top right to access the sidebar menu. Here, you'll find the Sign Up button. Create your account. Input your details. After signing up, and for every subsequent login, you'll receive an email with a one-time password, OTP, for an extra layer of security. Remember to keep your primary email address and password confidential to prevent unauthorized use. Once signed up and authenticated, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. Here, you can book appointments, update your social and family history, and access our health resource library. To book an appointment, simply click on Book Appointment. A consent form will appear. Please read, review, and sign it to proceed. Next, you'll see options for either an on-demand or scheduled visit. You can also choose your preferred mode of communication, audio or video. Then, select a time slot that fits your schedule. We offer appointments in 15, 30, and 45-minute increments. At YourMD.online Connect, your health is our top priority. Therefore, we request payment only after your consultation is completed, ensuring you receive the care and support you need first. We're dedicated to providing accessible and convenient healthcare for everyone. Our visits are at a modest cost, and we also accept most health insurance payers. Once the appointment is set, you'll see a confirmation on your dashboard. For on-demand visits, the system will try to search for an active provider in your state, and you'll see a Connect button to initiate your meeting with the doctor. Click the highlighted Join Your Telehealth Consultation Meeting button. You will be invited to a waiting room. Once you are admitted by the provider, you will see video screen with option to join by audio or video as anticipated. For scheduled visits, log into your dashboard at least 10 minutes before your appointment time. You will find your appointment information on your dashboard and under My Appointment section. If a doctor cancels, you can easily reschedule or set a new appointment. Your patient chart, including doctor's notes, sick notes, lab order forms, and more, is readily accessible through your dashboard. Simply navigate to the My Appointments section. Find your completed visit by searching past visits, and click on the 3 dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Details to access your patient chart. Here, you can find all your consultation records and relevant documents. For easier access in the future, we'll be adding a shortcut to your patient chart on the sidebar of your dashboard. Our telehealth service also features a 24/7 chatbot, urgent prescription service, health counseling, work excuse notes, and lab form ordering. All providers are licensed in your state. Your experience matters to us at YourMD.online Connect. In the future, we'll also be introducing a diagnostic companion tool in collaboration with www.oncoli.com. YourMD.online Connect, making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and convenient for you. Download the app today and take a step towards better health. YourMD.online Connect, health at your fingertips.